October 10, 2024, just before dawn. The Khalino Air Base, a key Russian stronghold believed to be impenetrable, was reduced to rubble. How did Ukraine accomplish what seemed impossible? This was no ordinary strike, it was a masterpiece of modern warfare that changed the dynamics of the conflict. Stick around as we unpack this stunning military operation. Khalino Air Base, a fortress in Russia's arsenal, celebrated as impenetrable. Armed with cutting-edge radar systems, advanced air defenses, and a hub for Russia's infamous glide bomb campaigns. But what happens when the fortress falls? This is the story of Ukraine's daring precision strike that redefined the art of modern warfare. Khalino Air Base, located in the Kursk region, has long been a cornerstone of Russia's military strategy. Since its establishment during the Cold War, this base has played a critical role in housing high-value aircraft and coordinating airstrikes along Russia's western frontier. During the war in Ukraine, Khalino became infamous as the launching pad for glide bomb campaigns, precision-guided bombs capable of devastating critical infrastructure and civilian areas alike. To many, it symbolized the unrelenting power of Russian air superiority. But as the war stretched on, Khalino Air Base became a target, not just for its symbolic significance but for the tactical advantage it offered to Russian forces. Ukraine's military, armed with US-supplied ATACMS missiles and cutting-edge drone technology, had been studying the vulnerabilities of Khalino. While the base boasted advanced radar systems and multi-layered air defenses, cracks began to appear in its seemingly impenetrable armor. On October 2024, Ukraine launched a coordinated strike. Using drones as decoys to distract Russian radar systems, they cleared the path for the deadly precision of ATACMS missiles. In a matter of minutes, Khalino's critical systems were obliterated, radar stations, ammunition depots, and even parked aircraft reduced to rubble. The impact was immediate and far-reaching. Russia's ability to launch airstrikes from this region was severely crippled, forcing a recalibration of its military strategy. This attack was not just a tactical victory, it was a lesson in modern warfare. The era of static, heavily fortified bases dominating the battlefield is fading. The success of Ukraine's strike highlights how agility, intelligence, and technological innovation can overpower brute strength. But what does this mean for the future? As nations invest in advanced missile and drone technology, are we entering an age where no stronghold is truly safe? Or will it lead to even more sophisticated defense systems sparking a new arms race? This strike at Khalino Air Base reminds us that history is being rewritten in real time. It's a testament to human ingenuity, both its power to destroy and its potential to create a more secure world. What do you think? Does this operation mark a turning point in military strategy? Or is it simply the latest escalation in a never-ending cycle of conflict? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.